quality of motors has really been elevated in the last 20 years. There's been a really big push from the customer that demanded a quality product.
Being in the service side of this industry, we've seen all makes, models and brands of motors, and we've seen the good and bad of all these manufacturers.
And so that's kind of forced the manufacturers to go back to the drawing board in a lot of cases and re-engineer some things and really take a listen to the customer, figure out what it is the customers want to buy, and then figure out a way to provide that to your customers.
WorldWide has really elevated their quality, their product service, product support, and that's why we've chosen to partner with WorldWide Electric.
You make one phone call, you talk to one guy, he walks you through, the things that you need to be looking at inside the software, figure out what's going on with it, and put a fix in place. I mean, it's literally the easiest customer service experience that I've had in the industry.
I can truly say that we like to do business with WorldWide Electric, not just because of the product quality, but because of the quality of support and staff that supports us.
WorldWide's been an integral part of our success there because not only do we have product on our shelf, not only is it a quality product, but as I mentioned before, the representation that we get from WorldWide and Hyundai Heavy Industries is such that when we take this product to customers, they know the company is going to back it. If we have warranty issues, which are very rare, if we have technical questions, we've always got somebody there to help us through that with our customer.